Good day, students. Okay, so our topic for this day, it's all about heredity, inheritance, and variation. So in grade 8, you were introduced to the Mendelian inheritance and you were able to discover how traits are transferred from parents to their children. The pattern of the inheritance follows laws proposed by Gregor Mendel. Although variations is heredity was not fully explained by these laws, it paved by the way for other scientists to study other truths in heredity, which could not be explained using the Mendelian principles alone. Okay, so let's start with incomplete dominance. Okay, what is incomplete dominance? Okay, incomplete dominance shows a third phenotype, and also it is a result of cross between two homozygous genotypes where one is dominant and other is recessive. Okay, here's the example. Okay, let's use the Punnett square to determine it. Okay, this is the Punnett square. As you can see, this is the Punnett square. Okay, mugamit ta karon og duha ka color, which is white and the red. An example is seen in the cross-pollination of red flower and white flower. The dominant color is not completely expressed over the recessive white. Okay, so karon ang kaning red ug white i-mix na siya, so ang result is pink. So therefore, the result of the third generation would be the third phenotype, which is called the pink color or the blending of red and white colors. Okay, so kung matingala mo nga nung W o R na siya, okay, ang R stands for the red color or the red flower, and the white stands for the white flower. Or you can also use R apostrophe. Or sa kanang magkuan na siya in third generation, you can use the RW or WR, or it can express as the pink, or you can also use RR apostrophe or R apostrophe R. Okay, again, ang incomplete dominance, makita niya ang ika-third generation or the third phenotype, which is the pink. Diba? Again, the red plus white is equal to pink, which is the pink is the third phenotype. Okay, next, let's proceed for the next. Okay, codominance. What is codominance? Okay, codominance is a form of inheritance wherein the alleles of a gene pair in a heterozygote are fully expressed. Okay, let's use another example or first example. So this is the cattle. So the red one and the white one again. So as you can see, the red cattle and the white cattle. So ang third one niya is the roan. Okay, nganuman, naning anak siya. Okay, so we'll be able to use again the Punnett square. Okay, red, white. Okay. This explanation class, makita nimo diri ang okay, listen. This is a result from the expression of the two dominant traits, but they are not blended together or there is no combination of traits. So this is called codominance. Again, ang red class, i-combine siya sa white, ang mo result is red o white. Pero, nakita man ninyo, di ba, kani siya, kaning roan, o kaning isa, makita nimo nga, wala siya nagmix. Dili pareha sa dili pareha sa incomplete dominance. Yes, di ba? Kung diri sa codominance, makita nimo sa isa ka cattle, makita nimo ang both color nilang duha. So walay ni taas ug wala puy ni gamay. So in short, makita nimo sa isa ka animals ang both colors sa codominance. So muna siyang codominance class. Makita sa isa ka hayop ang duha ka color sa both parents niya. Okay? Okay. So next, let's proceed for the multiple alleles. Okay, what is multiple alleles? Okay, multiple alleles, when there are more than 2 alleles available for one trait. Okay, example, in human blood type, there are 3 alleles with 4 possible blood types in A, B, O blood typing system. So let's proceed for the table of blood types A, B, O. As you can see, the blood type, the genotype, and the phenotype. So, blood type A, B, AB, O. Okay, so let's proceed for the A. Let's focus first the letter A. So, what is the genotype of blood type A? Okay, sa blood type A, kung ang imong blood type is AA or AO, so your phenotype would be A. Okay, very good. A. Let's proceed for blood type B. So your genotype would be BB/BO. Then what's your phenotype? Okay, the phenotype is B. Let's proceed for the AB. Okay, your genotype is AB. So, unsa man dapat ang imong phenotype? Okay, AB. So, AB imong phenotype. Okay, let's proceed for O. So, your genotype would be OO. So, unsa may possible jud nga phenotype nimo kung O ang imong blood type? AB or AB? Okay, yes, correct. O ang kuan nimo, ang imong phenotype. Okay? Is that clear? Yes. Okay, let's proceed. DNA. Okay, DNA. What do you mean by DNA? Again, what is DNA? Okay, DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, so here's the picture. As you can see, so deoxyribonucleic acid, or should we say DNA. Okay, DNA, it is made up of a chain of nucleotides. Each nucleotide is composed of pentose sugar. Okay, na siya pentose sugar class. Or deoxyribose, a phosphate group that serves as the backbone. Phosphate group, kanang mga kilid. Muna siya ang nag-serve of backbone. And the complementary nitrogen bases. Okay. So the cytosine, ang cytosine class, unsa man ang cytosine B? Sige. Okay. Kana kita mo ning mga upat diri sa kilid, kaning A stands for adenine, T stands for thymine, C stands for cytosine, and G stands for guanine. Okay, kaning upat class, very very important kay ni siya jud class. Okay ha? Paminaw. Kaning si adenine, ang permitted jud anak niya makauban kay si saman thymine. Yes. Kana silang duha mag-uban jud na sila, di na siya pwedeng dili mag-uban. Then let's proceed for the next one, the cytosine. Cytosine, and always pair with, okay, the guanine. Okay, muna siya ang base pair. Okay, mo ni siya yang kauban jud. Okay, let's proceed for a nucleotide. Oh, nucleotide class kani siya. Okay. So, muna siya ang mag-join together sa chain to form a DNA. Okay, again, ang nucleotide class, again, kani siya kana siya ang mag-join sa tanan para ma-form ang DNA. Okay. So makita niyo karon, kani diri gipa-short ni siya para unsa man ni siya? Sani? Okay, kani siya ang formation sa DNA. So, okay, kani. So, if ever nga ang performance nato is you'll be able to make a DNA. Pero, in a way sa, gamiton nyo ang styrofoam. Okay? Okay. Let's proceed. So, it's very understandable. Our topic is all about, again, about heredity, inheritance, and variation. Okay, let's take a review. What is incomplete dominance? What is the codominance? What is multiple alleles? What is the meaning of the acronym of DNA? Okay. I'll give you 2 minutes or 30 seconds to answer. Okay. Incomplete dominance, a result of cross between two homozygous genotypes where one is dominant and other is recessive. Again, ang incomplete dominance, mono to siya ang naay third generation or the third phenotype. Okay, again, red i-combine sa white, ang result is pink. So that is the third phenotype. Okay, next. What is codominance? I'll give you again 30 seconds to answer. Okay. Codominance is a form of inheritance wherein the alleles of a gene pair in heterozygote are fully expressed. Again, katong red nga cattle o ang white nga cattle gi-combine naon sa man. So makita ang duha ka colors sa isa ka cattle. So mo na siya ang codominance. Again, sa ato sa Bisaya, puntik-puntik. So makita nimo ang duha ka color in between sa duha ka parents. Okay? Okay. So next, let's proceed for what is multiple alleles. I will give you 10 seconds to answer. Okay, multiple alleles is when there are more than 2 alleles available for one trait. Okay? Okay. Next, what is the meaning of the acronym of DNA? I will give you 5 seconds to answer. Okay. Again, DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, so did you learn something, class? I hope you can learn something from me. Okay, thank you for listening. God bless and stay safe. This is your science teacher, Glenn Anthony Sarabilio, LPT. Good morning.